Climb up to the humongous rock. Take your time.
What if I fall down?
Go up and then there's little steps to come down.
No, I mean like, where am I here?
I'm right here, Adam. Be brave, buddy.
But not.
That's okay.
No, it's fire. Orange out.
Yep. Keep going. Good job. There's one more step you can step onto. Try the other foot. No, here.